Welcome to this body scan meditation. Thanks so much for joining me. So this practice can either be taken lying down or in a comfortable upright seated position. So if you'd like to choose the position you would like to take this practice in, then do it now. So arranging your body so you're as comfortable as you can be. If you're lying down, then make sure that the body is completely relaxed. If you're in an upright seated position, the body also needs to be relaxed, but the spine nice and tall, sitting bones rooted down, crown of the head up skywards. Now bring your awareness to your breath and feel the breath in your nostrils as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Allow your awareness to rest on your breath for the next couple of breath cycles. Remain steady, remain still, and keep your awareness on your breath. Now, bring your awareness to your body, the form of your body, the shape of your body, and then gradually scanning your entire body, from your toes to the crown of your head. Gradually scan your entire body, releasing tension as you go. Pay attention to any areas of tightness or discomfort and breathe into them, allowing them to relax. Now, imagine a warm, relaxing energy moving up from your toes to your feet, to your ankles, to your calves. This warm, relaxing energy moves up into the thighs, to the hips, up the entire back plane of the body, back of the neck, back of the head, to the crown of the head. Warm, relaxing energy. From the crown of the head, the energy now releases over the face, softening facial muscles, relaxing your jaw, down to the hollow of your throat, down to your heart space, to the right side of your chest, to the left side of your chest, down your right arm, down your left arm, back to your heart center. This warm, relaxing, soothing energy. This energy continues from your heart center down to your navel, from your navel to your pelvic bowl. The warm, relaxing energy releases down the right leg, down the left leg, back to your feet, back to your toes. You are enveloped in this warm, relaxing energy. From the tips of your toes to the top of your head. Breathe into this warm, relaxing energy. Breathe into this warm, relaxing energy. Breathe into this warm, relaxing energy. This body scan meditation is now complete. There's no rush to move. There's no rush to do anything. And you know that you can come back to this meditation any time you like. This practice is now complete.